How to turn on or turn off NFC, NCI Unfiltered lock on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down to End, click on Developer option. After click on Developer option, scroll down and search NFC NCI Unfiltered log from here. Scroll down, and search. Scroll down. You will see NFC NCI Unfiltered log is here. So if you want to turn on NFC NCI Unfiltered log, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see NFC NCI Unfiltered log is turned on. So if you want to turn off, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see NFC NCI Unfiltered log is turned off. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off NFC or birds. Sorry, NFC unfiltered logs on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.